Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. Today's question is selling coins. This question, Chef has been given A silver coins and B gold coins. He can avail the following routines multiple times, as many times as he wants. So he can sell one silver coin for 1 rupees and he can also trade one gold coin for two silver coins. Now, Chef is trying to sell all of his coins and earn money. How much will Chef be able to earn? So, all we need to do is we need to print that we've given how many gold coins and how many silver coins he initially had, and how many money will he be able to make using those coins. Now, in the input format, we're given two integers separated by a space, which represents A and B. And in the output, we need to print in a single new line the amount of money Chef can earn. The constraints were given that A and B lie between 1 and 10. Now let's see the first simple input. So we're given the number of gold coin, silver coins he has is 2, and the number of gold coins he has is 1. So he can trade this gold coin for two silver coins and he can sell. And now the total number of silver coins he has is 4, and he can sell all four of them for 4 rupees. In the second input, we are given 10, 10. So he can get 20 more silver coins using these 10 gold coins. And in total, he'll be having 30 silver coins. And he can just simply sell all of them for 1 rupee each for 30 rupees. Now let's see the solution once. So we're given that we have a number of silver coins and we have b number of gold coins. And the worth of gold coins is nothing but two times silver coins, right? Or two times whatever the cost of silver coin is, right? The total number of money we can earn is a plus two times b, right? And that is all we need to print. So now let's see the solution in Python first. So we'll begin by taking an input of A and B. What are we doing over here? So this is nothing but first of all, we're gonna take in the input of whole string as our input and we'll split it with respect to the spaces. So this much part will give us a list of strings. And using this map function, we'll convert that list of string into a list of integer and we'll map them inside these A and B's. And we'll be printing A plus 2 times A. Now let's see the solution in C++. So we'll begin by taking an input of A and B and we'll simply print A plus 2 times B and that's it. Now the time complexity of both the solutions, C++ and Python solutions are constant because we're doing 4 to 5 number of total operations, right? And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks. Bye-bye.